Hi Shirley, it's Christine Whitman, and I am getting ready to pack up your order of your extra large cherry Siamese Mah Jongg racks. Anyways, with our regular racks, I never have to really explain how to pack them up for the best performance and best protection. But with the Siamese racks in the bag that I sew, I think it's probably a good idea to just give people a little quick and dirty on the best and easiest way to pack them so that they're protected and your racks will last a lifetime. So let me go ahead and take these off. So what I have here is I have a rack bag that has 4 pockets in there. It's got a angled flap, and you've got 2 small pockets on each end, and then you have 2 larger pockets in the middle with a gusset that's sewn shut. So what I do, and logic would say put the racks in facing up, but I put them in upside down. So I just take the 2 pushers, and in each of the pockets I place 2 pushers. So there are 2, and then there are 2 right here. Okay, super easy. And then look at these. These are your beautiful extra large cherry Siamese Mah Jongg racks. I love them. Anyways, so this is the underside. This is where the plaque is, and this is how I pack them in order to protect them the best. So excuse me for disappearing out of the frame, but I think you should probably be looking at the racks. So I just take and I insert them upside down, plaque side up, into each one of the larger sleeves, and I just put them down in there easily. They slide in quite easily. They're protected. It'll keep them dust free. And okay, so here's the second one. Second one again. Let me just give you an idea of what you're looking at right here, because they are stunning. Brett and I, my husband Brett and I, actually played with these racks once, and we love the extra large racks. We think that the small or regular size racks are beautiful, but for our choices, we prefer to play with the small racks. Anyways, I'm sorry, the extra large racks. This is a small rack. This is the walnut one that is also listed on Etsy, and we like it, and we probably think it would be great for our RV travels, but not for our daily Siamese Mah Jongg play. Anyways, let me put that back. So, now that the racks are in the bag and they're underside facing up, I just take this flap, I pull it over to kind of close the openings, then I fold over the pusher channels first into the underside of the rack. And there's a little bit of a channel on the underside of the rack, just to kind of make it a little lighter. And then so now this is what I have. I've got this channel in here, this channel in there, and this is what it looks like. Okay, right there. See? Right there. When I've got that done, now all I do is I take those 2 halves with the pushers nesting into the underside, and I fold it up, just like that. So here we go. Just take it and fold it up. You'll see now that the 2 loops of the elastic are exposed. And you can just slip that over there. It's fairly easy. That's one. And then that is the other one. So now you have a nice, neat, more of a clamshell type of package. So your rack tops are now facing on either side. This is the top of the rack on that side and the top of the rack on this side. This is just a really wonderful way to keep your racks protected and clean and ready to go, so you can flip them underneath your arm or whatever it is you want to do. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for your order. It's really, really appreciated. We do appreciate the support we get from the Mah Jongg community and what we're doing. And these will ship out to you tomorrow, Monday morning. And please enjoy them. If there's anything that you'd like to know, or you have you have a problem. I doubt you'll have a problem, but if you were to have a problem, you just let me know. Email me, call me, message me through Facebook, or get in touch with me through Etsy. Any way you want to get in touch with me, you're free to do so, and we'll always make a problem right. I don't tell people that about the rack bag in the listing because I'm not a very good sewer, and I certainly don't feel incredibly proud of these rack bags, but I do love the way that they protect things. And people who have had rack bags for a couple of years now still tell me that the feedback is just great, that they're still holding up, they're still protecting their racks, which is really the reason the rack bags came about, was to protect them through shipping and through everyday use, putting them away, keeping them protected. Anyways, Shirley again, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Enjoy your racks.